YouTube. It's my first video on this channel. I'm a little excited to start it. So it's gonna be a trading channel. So what do you expect from me? Uh, so why I'm doing this is to help myself, to also track my journey and help you along the way. I started looking into trading literally just a couple weeks ago, and I got really into it, and I want to kind of help myself and hold myself accountable for the trades I take. And I feel like if I don't record it and kind of post it, I'm just gonna do and whatever I want in myself. So I'm not a pro. Beginning like most of you. Uh, I'm starting on a demo account right now, and I have been watching a lot of bootcamp videos from TGR, and I want to kind of just show my journey along the way. So I'm doing paper right now. I want to eventually move to a funded account where I show my journey on trying to get the funded account. And then after that, I kind of wanted to move to a live account. So this is not any short-term plan. This is probably going to be like hopefully a year journey before I have my own live account running. But yeah, so I'm going to be posting weekly biases, live trades, and trade recaps. And today I did take a trade, so we'll just start off. I don't want to keep this video too long. So, this is the trade I took. We had a small little dub. Today was news day, so I shouldn't be trading, but it was 30 minutes into the market, and I kind of wanted to test out all the features because I didn't, I couldn't take a trade before this because I was actually learning it in India. So this is actually my first real demo trade that I took. So let me go with the weekly first. So today is bullish. This is a monthly. We have really big candle look like that. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. Yeah. So we're really bullish on the monthly. Let's go to the weekly. We're also bullish. No really big structure, so we're just heading up. Daily, we are also just heading up. Alright, so this is what really matters for the 4 hour. We have bullish as well. So market opened at market opened at 9:30 for me, but I was in India. Now the time won't change back to when it opens. Just put 7:30. Should be at 7 though. It's a little 30 minutes after. Actually, it's not gonna be accurate. Do that. All right, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. 7. There we go. Market opened right there. All right. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for longs, and that's because everything is bullish. So if we go back down to the 5-minute, I was looking for any entry that I could take on the downside back to the upside. So market opened around 7. First thing I noticed is that we were in an uptrend, and we had a liquidity sweep right here. I saw that. I wanted to kind of enter off of that. Wasn't really anything crazy today. I knew that there was market, and this was really just a test. Would I have taken this on a regular day? Maybe. But let's go down to the 1 minute. So now I'm looking for an entry into the 1 minute. So we noticed an uptrend. I saw this little fair value gap. So I was like, maybe if I tap into this, I'll rally up a little bit. Um, so we went up and boom, 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 boom. And this is where I entered. That is because if we look at the equilibrium, so I based off of the fair value gap and the equilibrium. So we had a high, wait down so slow right here. Alright, so we were in a discounted price. So I was like, okay, that's looking good. We're in a discounted price. It hit the fair value gap. And so I entered off of that, and we had to break a structure. So we're in a downtrend, so we're looking for a up-down candle. So the last one is right here. We broke structure with this, so I took that. We went a little chip chop, but let me remove this. Goddamn. Alright, so we had a little chip chop, and then I had my stop loss right below this. I put in 2 contracts, and I had my take profit literally right here. It wasn't any crazy trade. I wasn't trying to hit some crazy profits either. I just wanted to test out my tools that I had because I haven't taken them before. But yeah, so then we had a little chip chop. Powell was speaking at 9, no, 10 o'clock. So I was like, I'm not trying to even trade today, but I still did. I exited right before he went, which is why the market got fucked up after he joined. He did this whole down up thing. So I'm not trading after this, but yeah, so we took a little profit. What would we have? We had $112 and another $12 because I moved my stop loss to break even after I took my first profit first take profit, which was right here. But yeah, so that was it for today. If you don't understand any of the things I'm saying, I'm not gonna really teach you guys right now. I'm not really a pro, but anyone who does understand, yeah, it's more like you guys just watching me progress. But if you guys are not really, if you guys want, I can't really teach you guys. But when I do become profitable, this channel will become into a little boot camp. Like I said before, I learned from TGR, but I had some things that I didn't like about his boot camp or the way he taught, and things that I feel like he missed that I could learn by myself. So, I mean, for one thing, for example, I didn't know how to risk manage my things. So, for example, he said, yeah, like, oh, just make sure you don't lose this amount of money, but I didn't know what the fuck that meant. So, let me, like, so for example, yes is $12.50 a tick. So I thought you can put in a certain amount. I thought like if it's $1,000, you can type in $1,000, boom. But it's not like that. You have to buy in for a certain amount of contracts and make sure that the stop loss doesn't overdo the amount of money you want to lose. So if it's like $12.5, I mean $12.50 a tick, and I only want to lose like let's do 25, so $50. So I can only go down stop loss of 4 ticks before I lose more than $50 is right here. So this wouldn't even work for my trade. I would have to be down here. So if I'm losing this 11.50, 11 ticks, I would have to do 11 times 12.5, which is the amount of money I would have lost. And I honestly, this wasn't a great risk to reward ratio. It was probably not even 1. But yeah, that's my trade recap, weekly bias for this week. Am I gonna trade the rest of the week? Probably not. There's news tomorrow as well. There's news an hour before market on Thursday, so I might trade. And there's consumer sentiment on Friday, so I'm probably not gonna trade that day either. But yeah, see you guys in the next video.